Well, it's the week of the 7th. I think this video and the following video is Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, 8th and 9th. Um, Here they're loading up some of the extra mats, hauling them out, um, and they're starting to make a little progress. One of the tanks there in the back is for vacuuming out the chemicals of the tankers. We'll head over to the crash site now. As you see here, they've cut up one car, and later in the video you'll see a person out there working up some of the bigger stuff that the shear can handle. Not sure what the railroad vehicle's doing there. Then they've got all these blue stations set up, not sure what they are. And they just about got this tank here empty. I'm hoping that I go back tomorrow, they'll be cutting it up, but we'll see. I believe that bucket right there just went out of frame was for the mats, and then I believe the blue and the white may be possible tanks for cutting the cars up after they get done. They done set them up a little shelter to get out the sun, which I don't blame them. It's been hot. It's a new day, I believe Wednesday the 9th. I've got all these truckers, and what they're hauling now, I guess, is the acid. And I think they said they were going to Baltimore Not 100% sure on that. About 5 hours, so that probably would work out. But a little bit more excitement today. They up here vacuuming it out, and got a man up here in a suit. Not exactly a cool day with the torch. Uh, it wouldn't be a good day to be running the torch all day. I can't really tell. It looks like they're vacuuming it out the top, uh, trying to get the chemicals out. But I guess they'll have to neutralize that acid before they cut it up. I'm not 100% sure how all that works. It's sad. I bet you most of that lumber ends up in a scrapyard somewhere or in a dump. At least the metal will get recycled. Looks like they have the next tanker ready to go. Got the hose away from it. I guess they'll do that one next. Not really sure. Looks like a mobile pressure washer system up there with a water tank and so forth. That's probably how they're going to clean the inside of those cars out before they cut it up. You know this guy's got to be hot. He's got on protective gear and using a torch. I get out of my AC truck and walk into my AC house, and I break a sweat, so you know he's hot. talking with different people, the tanker cars, railroad cars, are equal to 5 tractor and trailer loads. So it takes 5 tractor and trailer loads to unload one tanker car. The 15 or 20 minutes I was here, several times I saw large amounts of smoke. So I think he had caught stuff on fire several times. Even though it's wet, when you throw that many sparks, you're bound to start a fire here and there. I just feel bad for this guy sitting there with all that protective gear on, and at probably 85 degrees in the sun, wielding a torch. It's about 4 foot long, shooting fire. You know it's got to be hot. This is the machine I really want to see in action. I seen him swing around a couple of times, and that was about it. Uh, it's a whole lot better sitting here at home watching this than at the job site. Uh, but he moved around a little bit, but he really didn't do a whole lot while I was there. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching. And please hit the subscribe button and the like and comment and share. Ring that bell. You know. all the good stuff. It's free. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.